Good morning students. In this video we discuss about galvanizing. Galvanizing is one of the hot dipping process. So what is hot dipping? So in hot dipping, the metal which having a low melting point is coated on a metal which having a high melting point is called as hot dipping. So galvanizing is one of the hot dipping process. So the process of coating of iron or steel sheet with a thin coat of a zinc to prevent it from a corrosion is called as a galvanizing. So what is galvanizing? So in galvanizing, initially we have to take an iron sheet and we have to carry out pickling process. What is by pickling? So pickling means we have to wash it with a dilute H2SO4 at 15 to 20 minutes for at 60 to 90 degrees centigrade. So this process is called as a pickling. So during this process, whatever the rust, scale or metal oxide present on iron sheet get removed. Now we have to pass it through a washing chamber. So in washing chamber we have to wash with the water so that whatever the excess of acid present on the iron sheet get removed over here. Then we have to pass it to the drying chamber. So we have to dry the sheet in this drying chamber. Now then we have to pass it through a molten zinc, which is at 425 to 430 degrees centigrade. The bath is covered with a ammonium chloride flux. So why it is coated with ammonium chloride flux? To protect the molten zinc from oxidation. Now we have to pass the sheet. So here the zinc get coated over this iron sheet. Now we have to pass it through a pair of roller. So here whatever the excess of zinc present on the sheet is removed by passing it through a pair of rollers, and we get a thin or uniform layer of a zinc on an iron sheet. And finally we have to carry out the annealing at 650 degrees centigrade and cool it slowly. So finally you will get galvanized sheets. So what are the key points? First we have to carry out the pickling process at 60 to 90 degrees centigrade. Now then wash it with a water in a washing bath, then dry in a drying chamber, then pass it through a molten zinc so that zinc coated over the iron sheet. The bath of zinc, molten zinc, is coated with the ammonium chloride flux to prevent the oxidation. Remove the excess of zinc by passing it through a roller to form a very uniform thickness. And lastly, it is annealed at a 650 degrees centigrade and cool slowly. So this is all about galvanizing. This question asked in university examination for 4 marks. Thank you.